welcome to Let's Cook It, everyone. In today's episode, we're going to make a creme caramel and with a couple of chef twist to bring the max flavor for you to enjoy. So let me begin with the orange zest, and I have a ramekin here. So if you don't have any of those ramekin at home, you can use a coffee cup or a teacup as long as the heat resistance. And all the ramekin was brushed with the cooking oil from inside to prevent sticking. You can use any casserole or a roasting pan as long as it's higher than the cup or the ramekin. Now let me start with the orange zest in the bottom first. You'll be surprised the flavor the orange zest give you for the caramel. And now we will start caramelizing the sugar. And make sure your stove always on the medium high when you work with the sugar, caramelizing the sugar. So sugar in, water in, and it will take a few minutes for the sugar to start caramelizing. Now as soon as you see the color change, start changing to brown, keep swirling and move from the heat a little bit, because it keep cooking, so you don't want to burn them, right? Put it back. I don't want them too dark, so this is perfect color to start. And don't wait too long, straight to the ramekin. Make sure cover all the bottom. Nice. Try not to dip your fingers in there to taste them. Now stove on the medium low, and I'm gonna warm up the milk. I'm not going to boil the milk, just enough to be warm. Now let's start with the eggs, and I'm putting 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. Egg yolk, the sugar, a pinch of salt, vanilla extract, and my favorite here, triple sec. Now if you don't have triple sec, granulated will do. Mix it very well. Make sure all the sugar dissolve. Caramelized sugar, triple sec, and the orange zest. It's going to be amazing flavor. Now let's see how's the milk. Perfect. The milk is warm. Now we're gonna add it a little tiny bit at the time because we don't want to scramble our eggs. And you can see here the water is boiling and ready for the hot bath. Now let's strain the custard mix. That's give you more silky and smooth custard. And before you pour in the ramekin, the custard mix, make sure the caramel hard rock. Custard mix in, and try not to fill it up all the way to the top. Now I'm gonna move one out and fill up the hot water. And make sure to cover at least half of the ramekin, or 3/4 of it will be much better. Here we go. Now put this one back in. And we're going to cover, because I'm using the countertop oven. If you're using a regular oven, you don't have to cover them, it's fine. But countertop oven is very low, so I don't want them to burn from the top. So I'm gonna just throw tin foil on top of the ramekin. And 325 preheated oven for 40 minutes. And we'll check it out. It was 45 minutes exactly. Now depends on your oven you have, might take 5 minutes less, 5 minutes more. That's fine. And look at this, amazing. Now let's do the toothpicks test. Stick in, out, nothing stuck on it, so that means good to go. Be careful, they're hot. Now I'm gonna transfer everything on the rack. And you can see a couple of the orange zest float on the top. That's fine, no problem. And if you look closely here, you still see it jiggly. So don't panic, that's normal. Because still gonna go in the fridge for at least 4 hours. And when you put it 4 hours in the fridge, it's gonna firm. So I was patient enough and I let it rest in the fridge for 4 hours. Now with any paring knife, thin knife, from the edges, you don't have to go deep. Just enough to release the top edge. Now, the moment of truth. Give it a little shake. Make sure it's released. It looks so yummy. Now let's enjoy. Beautiful. Wow. Caramelized sugar, orange zest, triple sec, unbelievable combination. Yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.